go to our YouTube channel for more recipes. Please subscribe. Welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today we are making fried rice. I'm gonna use more vegetables and a few more eggs. Usually people put like 3 eggs. I'm gonna use 6 eggs for more protein, and it's going to be delicious. So let me show you the ingredients we are going to use. To make good fried rice, you gotta make the rice the night before. You don't wanna have hot rice when you are making fried rice. We're gonna use some olive oil, some sea salt, some eggs, tofu, extra firm. What I'm doing, I'm having it like this for like 2 hours to drain the extra water. A whole bag of frozen vegetables. Scallions, ginger, garlic, fresh sweet onion, green cabbage, and some soy sauce. So the first thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dice the onions because I want the tofu to get the flavor from the onions. Olive oil and some soy sauce. I'm having right now the heat medium to high. I'm gonna put some olive oil. That's like 3 tablespoons. So we have the whole onion here. So right now we're gonna cut the tofu and we're gonna mix it together with the onions because I want the tofu to have flavor and to be crispy. You see I'm dicing the tofu. The tofu right on the top of the onion. We're gonna put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Let the tofu get a little brown. Right now I'm gonna sprinkle some salt, like a 1/2 teaspoon. So what we're doing right now, we're gonna take out the tofu and the onions, put them in a separate bowl. We are using only half of green cabbage. That way, we're only gonna use 1 cup of brown rice. For the green cabbage, we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now we're just gonna add a whole bag of frozen vegetables. I love when I use a lot of vegetables in my cooking. That means I'm not using pasta, I'm not using bread, I'm not using a lot of rice. White rice especially, brown rice is good. I'm gonna put another tablespoon of soy sauce. And I'm gonna sprinkle some sea salt, like a 1/2 teaspoon. So we are using fresh garlic. Garlic is gonna give a lot of flavor to the food. I like to using the garlic this way on the top of the vegetables. That way the garlic doesn't get burned. Sometimes you can shred the ginger too, but I like it this way, it gives you more flavor. Got the fresh ginger. So what we're doing, we're going to clean the scallions. We washed them already. Take the top off. have the scallions. That is beautiful. We are going to add back the tofu with the onions. I want the tofu to get the flavor from all the vegetables. More flavor. Now we're going to add the brown rice, 1 cup. For the brown rice, to get the recipe, you can go to our YouTube channel, Eat with Steve, and we have the recipe how to make the perfect brown rice. So right now we're adding 1 cup of rice, brown rice. We're gonna add another tablespoon of soy sauce. So we're going to use 6 eggs. We're going to scramble them. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil to scramble the eggs. Just enough to cover the fry pan. We have the 6 eggs. Now we're going to take the eggs and mix them with the rice. Hey Alex, how are you?
Hi Steve, I'm okay, thank you.
Back in the kitchen.
Yes,
Another delicious meal.
it's amazing.
So what do you think? By your eyes, what did you see?
I saw a lot of vegetables. It is vegetarian, but it has tofu, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Free guilt brown rice?
Yeah, definitely. Because you said it, it has a lot of green cabbage. It has vegetables. It has, it looks great.
Another thing is when you look at why you don't try it. In the meantime, I will tell you.
Sure.
You know, I watch different recipes, and people use sugar in the fried rice.
What?
Yep.
Sugar?
Yeah. They use cornstarch, MSG. You know, so when I deliver a healthy meal like this, when I take a bite, I can taste the ginger, the garlic. You see, in soy sauce, I use a nice amount. I didn't use a lot of soy sauce, so the soy sauce don't take over the flavor. And then I taste the egg. And taste all the vegetables because we didn't use a lot of sodium.
No.
And you see I use scallions and regular onions. You see most people that don't use regular onions, but I wanted to give more flavor to the tofu.
Yeah.